You sure about this? I know, but you're positive. Okay. Well, close your eyes. I don't want to get your hair in your face. Come on, shut them. No, I'm not going to chicken out. This is what you want, right? Promise. You aren't just saying it, right? Come here. I love you. All right, here goes nothing. Keep your eyes closed. And oh God, there's sort of no going back now. Well, I just cut off one of the ponytails I put some of your hair in, and there goes another, and another, and another. You are sure, right? You don't want just a little buzzed look. You want it all gone. All right. Then here goes nothing. Oh, yeah, definitely no going back now. Well, because I just ran the buzzer down the middle of your head, and it looks a little funny. Okay, it's pointless to ask again, but you're sure. Okay. Let me just kiss your cheek. Let's keep going then. Yeah, I'm feeling okay today. Yeah, it's a good day. You know, you didn't have to do this. I know. I know you wanted to, but you didn't have to. I would never ask you to do something like this. Huh? Yeah, I'm actually hungry today. Oh, and that's a special occasion, is it? And what do you plan on making? I actually might have energy to help. No, babe, I want to help. So, let me, okay? Yes, I promise I'll be okay. Besides, I'm sure you'll ask me every 2 minutes if I'm doing all right. Yes, I promise I'll be honest if it starts getting to be too much. I love you. You know that? Well, we're done. Here, before you open your eyes, let me wipe off all that hair from your head and face and your neck. I know you're ticklish here. And let's get your shoulders. Okay. You can open them up. Yes. We definitely look a lot more alike now. Huh? No, I'm okay. I'm touched. You doing this, you wanting to do this. And you didn't even shed a single tear. Last week when I shaved my head, I felt, I don't know, I felt so alone. I felt forced to do something I really didn't want to do. I remember crying so hard in the shower after. Babe, I didn't tell you because you're already so worried about me. And I didn't want to add anything more onto your plate. Not fair. You know I'm too weak to fight back when you pull me onto your lap. Which is covered in hair at this point, by the way. I know. I know you're there for me. Yes, I know how much you love me. And I love you too. Not just because you shaved your head for me. Because I see it in everything that you do. When you tuck me in, when you heat up the blankets because I'm freezing, when you spoon feed me my soup if I'm just too weak to do it myself. I love you, and I appreciate you and all you do for me. I am so thankful for you. And I hope one day I'm able to show you just how much I love you. Oh, it's time to feed me. And what am I? Your baby? Yeah, I'm always going to be yours.